Hey guys, it's Rainey Romero with the lovely law firm and Myrtle Beach Biker Lawyer. We are here in Conway at 701 Cycles, and we are super duper excited about this project that we are starting today, and we're going to take you along with us. This awesome Harley behind me is going to be transformed, customized, and made into a patriotic bike that we are going to sell and donate the proceeds to a local veterans organization. So we are super excited to see the process. We're starting out here day one. We're gonna have Stefan here from 701 Cycles that's gonna take off some of the pieces that are gonna get painted. And you guys are gonna be with us for the whole time.
What we do is we put the bike down on the lift, strap it down, they don't can fall around. And we will take the body parts today out to get it primered and painted in white, to get a base coat on it before it goes out to the airbrusher. Let's take first the seat down. Comes off. This is the front fender. This is a family-owned business. I work here, my son works here, and my wife, and we have two workers here. What we will do here, we'll take the shocks out, that we can raise the bike. In this way I come to the screws in the fender, and so but you see that the tire keeps down on the floor, and we get here the space what we need to take the screws out. That is why I take the shocks out. Here we are. So now we have the two fenders and the tank out from the bike, ready to go to paint. When we paint stuff, we try to do the right way. That means first it comes a primer over it, then this bike will paint completely a white, a really strong white. There's coming a coat, small coat of clear over, a fine one, and then it goes to the airbrusher, and then the airbrusher makes the whole designs on it. And when this is all done, then he put a clear coat over it to protect everything. So now, because we have now a little bit parts off, we will start to clean them out and polish them up, you know, before we put them back. So we will clean up this. These are things what comes now step by step.